Unbelievable comeback, Eagle fans. Unbelievable. Tell the truth. How many of y'all turned your TV sets off? I don't care what nobody say. About half of Philadelphia turned off their TV at 26-7. How the fuck the Rams lose this game? I'll tell you how. Jalen motherfucking Hurts, goddammit. Put some respect on his name. What? What you got to say about him now? What you got to say about him now? Ain't you the one that said he couldn't come back from behind? Fuck out of here. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. He ain't do nothing special. What? He hit on 17 of 24 for 209 yards all in the second half, and that ain't special? About time his dumb ass realized A.J. Brown was still an Eagle. He been ignoring him the last 2 weeks. Not only A.J., but he threw touchdown passes to Goddard and Smitty too. Man, once they went into 2-minute mode, the Rams ain't have nothing for them. Okay, so y'all won the goddamn game. But y'all better figure out how y'all got so far behind, because the Rams was dominating offensively and defensively both lines of scrimmage for 2.5 quarters. You ain't gonna come behind and win too many games like that. Bruh, we did what we had to do when we had to do it. 2 blocked field goals in the fourth quarter? Who does that? Bruh, that's the mark of a winning team. A team that finds a way to win even when you ain't playing well. It's a whole different story if they make one of them field goals. But they did. Shout out to our Georgia dogs, Jalen Carter and Jordan Davis, for blocking those field goals. Man, Jordan Davis looks like a whole different player since he dropped all that weight. He blocked the field goal, recovered it, and then ran 61 yards like it was nothing for the walk-off touchdown. Man, it don't get much better than that. Don't get all caught up celebrating too much. Y'all gotta go to Tampa Bay next week, and you know Baker Mayfield is y'all kryptonite. Yeah, that's right, kryptonite. Fool, we'll worry about that tomorrow. As for today, there's only one thing left to say. E-A-G-L-E-S. Eagles, Eagles, Eagles. Oh! Hey, y'all. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like. Also, I'm on YouTube as Yo Bees. I'm on Instagram and TikTok as Yo Bees 1. So you guys, if you could do me a favor, please, please, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Any engagement that you make on these videos will really help my channel grow. I appreciate you all tuning in. Thank you very much.